Welcome. In front of me I have the ASUS VivoWatch BP, and today I'll go over unboxing of this product and just a quick rundown of their website and what they say about it. Anyway, I just pop it straight open. So right off the bat you probably get the vibe, this is more like a medical device from just like this super sterile packaging. Usually they're a little bit more flashy compared to what you get right here. You can see it just looks a little bit blendish in a way, but anyway, I just pop it open. There we go. ASUS BP watch. Damn, it's a book and a half to read here. Whoa. I just toss that Bible to the side. Then we get the watch. Now I'll be completely honest, on the picture right here it looks a little bit better than it does in person. There we go. As you can see, this display right here is a little bit on the small side. Now let's see if I can turn it on. Anything? Feels like the button actually has two steps to it. Interesting. I think I will need to turn it on, plug it in to turn it on, which is a little bit unfortunate. But we get a interesting looking charger. That is actually pretty nice looking. And get our cable for it. And just a typical Type-C, along with more instructions. Okay, I will be honest, I don't think this watch is this complicated to need two Bibles to figure out how to use it. There we go. Oh shucks, that's not a Type-C. That's a big bummer here. I guess I'll have to get my cable. Micro USB, there we go. Welcome back to the 2010. Plug that in. And there we go. And hopefully now I can get the watch to turn on. Ah, there we go. And as you can see, it's now turning on. So that's all it needed to be plugged in. Now, okay. So if I remove it, it should just stay on, if I'm correct. It does have a touch display, as you can see. I'm not going to change too much, I'm just kind of trying to get through the setup right here. Okay, so the battery is a little bit dead. Can I use it while charging it? Nope, it looks like I can't. So anyway, I'm just going to quickly run down the info that ASUS just kind of gives about it. So let me just take it out of here. Now this is not the best design, so you need to push it down and then like pop it out, but I just want to point that out. But just gonna get it back in there. You don't have anything to grab it all off here, so you're kind of like using the belt right here to try to pry it out. Yeah, not the best design, to be completely honest here. Maybe if the belt is open, can I like... Okay, there we go. Still, like I said, a little bit of a wonky design here. So, quickly going, is the device is set up now, okay? So quickly going off of this, We have a heart rate monitor right here. So you basically put your finger right here, like this. It has these LEDs and a little metal plate right here to measure our heart rate. We do also have some plates right here that I measure something. I'm not a medical expert, so I have no actual idea. Quickly going into what ASUS basically says on their main website, we have embedded ECG and PPG sensors track real-time health data, including heart rate, sleep, activity, exercise, and de-stress levels to stay informed about your health. So that's the first thing. Then we have ASUS Health Companion application, so something that you will be using on the phone, and you will be using this probably quite often, considering we have a very limited amount of information that will be displayed right here. So obviously the app will be where most of the info is being stored and where you can view it. So going into this, an intuitive and friendly mobile app that allows users to manage blood pressures and heart rates data, as well as other wellness data for easy health management. So yeah, like I said, app will be your godsend right here. Then we have some bullcrap about ASUS Health AI technology. So yeah, whatever. I'm not even going to go into that. And last thing, or two last things, would be built-in GPS sensor, or probably more like a tracker, not a sensor. Tracks workouts and view activity maps and stats such as speed, distance, and duration in the intuitive ASUS Health Connect app. And then last thing is the 28-day battery life. So your 24/7 assistant makes health trend tracking and management convenient and whatever. Yeah, it's just mumbo jumbo, but decent battery life, which is what matters. So yeah, 28 hours, it's pretty good. Now keep in mind, this display does even have backlighting. It does have backlighting, so it is the puniest backlighting you will ever see. So yeah, you probably need to use this outside to see the display, though I don't know how that will work in like direct sun. Kind of looks, almost tries to imitate, I think, a paper ink. It kind of looks like it. The backlighting, as you can see when I press it, it should backlight. It does backlight, but the backlight is so faint that it's not even like being shown on the camera. So yeah, there we go. So my thoughts about this device is that this watch is primarily designed, I would presume, for elderly people. It is a fairly simple design right here, as you can probably gather. Not much to it. It just gives you like basic info. It's not running Android, obviously, and it has anything that you need in like a big way. So for instance, the heart rate tracking or rate measuring, whatever, you have specifically designed for it right here. Most of the watches will gather it from your wrist with the same kind of like LEDs, but at the back, kind of like these ones right here. But here it takes it a step further to probably try to make it a little bit better, I presume. I'm not a, like I said, health expert, so I'm just kind of going off of what I'm expecting this to be or how it works. But yeah, from just the look of it, it is just looking like almost a medical tool. Fairly simple design with the features that you might be interested in being emphasized, and probably, like I said, the device will be catering to more towards elderly people, making it a little bit easier for them to monitor their health status. Now anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.